Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Poco C65. So if you see something like that, when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups, you have a lot of spamming notifications in your bar, that means you have a notifications virus, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps and choose manage apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just open it and click on the uninstall button, choose OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Select the data usage, storage, choose the clear data and tap on the manage space. Now tap on the clear all data and configure it by OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification virus. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it on the Avast. In this application you have to tap on the continue with ads and green circle, then click on the OK and add a permission to the files. Now just go back, the scanning process shall start automatically, and after that your phone shall be free from any unwanted software that you have. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.